Yo, V Nation, are you in the market for a nice little rechargeable table fan? Then I think I got what you need right here, so you might want to stay tuned and check out this video, alright? Alright, yo Skippy, roll that intro. Okay YouTube, this your boy Mark from LOOSESCREWZZANDVIEWS back again another video. But you know how we do, before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo V Nation, it's your main man Mark, back again another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at another fan, a table fan from Aecooly, alright? But before we get started, I want to give all thanks and praise to my Heavenly Father, God above, and Savior Jesus Christ, because without God, nothing's possible. But anything's possible as long as you keep God in it, all right? Keep a prayer in your heart, keep a prayer on your lips, all right? And can you do me a favor? Go down there and hit that subscribe button. It's free, don't cost anything, and you're going to be helping somebody out, all right? All right. Whew. View Nation, we're back. We're back with another fan video, all right? This one is from a company called Aecooly. And I think that's where these fans that I had that didn't work that I'm sending back. No, that's another company. I don't want to get it mixed up. So no, that's not the same company. So Aecooly. So I don't want to mess them up. All right. So this one is from Aecooly. It's a high-speed table fan, saying chic. So I mean, I guess they're saying something. I think that's something else I got going on around here. I don't know what it is. You heard that power off. This is live and uncut. But anyway, let me see. It's high-speed fan, 77 ml. Let me see what it just say. The highest wind speed. All right, and it says 8,000 mile built-in battery. All right. Let's see what they got on the side. Nothing on that side. Okay? What was on the back? It's got some more information on the back, so you can pause and read it for yourself. All right. Got a long range airflow, 3 oscillating settings, 8,000 mile battery, I said already, 100 adjustable speeds, and smart LED digital display. All right, high speed fan. So that's it. All right. So let me read off the website. You know, their description. You know, verbatim like they're saying. All right, it's the Aecooly touch control desk fan, 100 speeds, quiet digital display, 8,000 mile battery power, small table fan with 3 oscillating angles, desktop fan, bedroom, bedside, office, travel, black. All right, the color black. So it ain't the cream one you see right here. I always gotta try to go ahead and read the specs off the website, because you know, to satisfy them spec junkies, because people be thinking just because you do videos you're an expert. No, just a regular everyday person, just like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel, right? So I'm learning as you learn, as we go, as you learn, all right? Let's see here. All right, let me see, we'll go down here and see about battery life on here. Maybe it might be an instruction booklet once we open it up. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box, all right? Wait a minute, I think it's, no, I thought I saw somewhere. Anyway, let's get it out of the box. Maybe it's in the box. Let me peel this off. All right, take this out of the box. See what we got here. Toss that paper to the side. Let's see. Let's empty this bad boy out. Toss that box to the side. And okay, set this up. It's like this is gonna be a fingerprint magnet right here. I tell you, this is gonna be a fingerprint magnet right here. Let me just see if I can adjust this angle real quick so we can see it a little bit better. All right, get you in there a little closer. All right, there we go. We got a little charging cord. Let's see, tear this open. I'm just going to beast mode. All right, it's a USB-C to USB-A charging cord. It would have been nice to be USB-C to C, but hey, it is what it is. It would have been nice also. I would have thought it would have been a black cord to match the fan. They talking about it's so chic. But anyway, I was telling you guys some information on the sticker on the front on the screen. Oscillation setting. It's telling you 60, what is this? 60, 120, and 180, okay. Speed increase on this side, speed increase on that side, speed decrease on this side, your power button at the bottom, all right? So I'm gonna peel this off. Let's see if I can peel this off real quick. All right, now your instructions are gone, so I peeled it off. Nice shiny screen, which is gonna be a fingerprint magnet. On the back, you got the big vent on the back, so you know, get that air, the air intake. All right, let's see here. I mean, it's pretty much made of hard plastic all over. And you got your little rubber stopper on here on the base, and it oscillates. And if I'm not mistaken, when it says it's adjustable as well, I was thinking it oscillates up and down as well, like some of the other fans I've had before. But this is how you adjust it to go up and down, like that. You see, just like that. That's it. That's as far down as you can adjust. All right. So let me put it back to like that. Let's turn on and see if we got some power, some juice to it. Okay, okay, it's fully charged. Okay, 99%. Okay, it's at 20. Let me see if we go down. Okay, that's the lowest speed. So let's see what the highest speed is. 40, 60, 80, 100. All right. So let me see this. Okay. Hey, it ain't the strongest, you know, flow, but it's pretty decent for like a bedroom or sitting on a nightstand. All right. Let's see about the oscillation right here. Okay, so that's the first oscillation, I think. Oh, okay, this must be the 180. Is this the 180? Oh, for a minute I thought it might have stopped or just stopped working. Okay. Let's see, what did I say on there? Okay, that says 60. You see that on the screen up here? It says 60 for the oscillation. So I'm gonna set it back down. I'm gonna hit it again. So maybe I just do like this, hit it again. All right, I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so that one is the 120. Maybe I just need to hold it so it'll do it then. And that's the 180. So let me put it down and see what the 180 is. All right, so that was 180. Okay, 180. All right, and then off. All right, so let me get my wind meter out here and see what we're working with. Let me get it back down to the lowest speed. We're down at 20, all right? We're down at 20. Got the wind meter out here. All right, so let's get the light on the wind meter. Let me turn this bad boy off first. Turn it back on. All right, turn the light on. So here we go. Speed. Let me see, okay, I gotta find the plus, but this is 20 right here, right? So we'll hit the button. So I can see it, where I can see the plus button. Let me move this out of the way so I can see. 40, 2.8, 2.7. Let me try to get it right here. 2.2, 2.4. It's going up and down. All right. So let me go ahead and go to 60. All right. We're getting 3. Let me adjust this up. Okay, there we go. So we're getting 3.5. All right, so let's see here. 80. You're getting about 3.8. 3.8. Let me see if I can find this plus button without seeing it. Okay, that's 100%. You're getting about 4.2 with the highest 4.1. So it's not really that strong, but it'll do the trick if you're sitting at a desk somewhere, you know. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Unique design. One thing I wish it would have had, it was like a little tiny remote to go to it. That would have been cool too. But you know, it is what it is. But it's pretty decent. I'm gonna leave a description. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you can get more detailed information on it, or you can pick one up for yourself. Like I said, it comes in a couple of colors. It looks like it's coming in a black and a cream. All I'm seeing is black and cream, but I think it comes in another color too. Let me see if and at the time of this video, it's looking at like 39 bucks, 40 bucks. So let me see. Let me go to their website and see the other part of their website and find say table fans. All right, table fan. Okay, it only comes in 2 colors: the cream color and the black color. All right. Well, I'll take that back. You got it comes in a beige, black, and white. All right, beige, black, and white. So it comes in 3 colors. All right, all right. So let me turn this down right here and turn this off for so I can hear myself. Goodness. Okay, it turns when you do that. All right, cool, too cool, too cool. Where is the charging slot? I didn't even see the, okay, charging slot right here. I'm going so fast I didn't even see the charging slot right there. So I'm trying to get to where the light to see it, so you can see that charging slot right there. Better see because I need to re-angle these lights. But anyway, all right. So this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I mean, it's something nice to put in there. It's hard plastic and everything, and and it ain't gonna break the bank. And you see, it's not gonna be extremely strong power, airflow, but it'll do the trick. You sit in a like a dorm room or your bedside. This will be a nice bedside fan, But I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below so you can get more detailed information, and also you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there too. All right. But I appreciate everybody taking the time to check out this video, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you can be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe, so you can see cool stuff like this on the channel. All right. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. Inspect junkies. If it's something I left out, that link in the description box below, you can click on that and get more detailed information, because I'm not an expert like tech support. I'm just a regular everyday person like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel. All right. Whew, that's a mouthful. But I appreciate everybody taking out time, checking out the video, and hit the subscribe button. And let's see here, the message for today. What is the message for today? Okay, I got it. The message for today is, don't be afraid of failure. You're like, Mark, what are you talking about now? Don't be afraid of failure, because failure is a learning experience. That gives you more experience in life of what to do and what not to do. And if it wasn't no failure, you probably would never know success or appreciate success. So never be afraid of failure. Everybody fails. It's nobody's perfect. The only one that's perfect is Jesus Christ. That's it. But don't be afraid to fail. All of us fail here and there in life. That's just part of our life. So don't be afraid of failure, and don't get down if you fail on something, because that right there is a learning experience for you and a learning experience for somebody else. So hey, look at it as a positive, because you're helping not only yourself to do better, to do different things a different way, but also you're teaching somebody else that's on the side, that's seeing what's going on, what to do and what not to do, or how to do things better. So don't be afraid of failure, all right? Because that's just part of success. Failure is part of success, all right? This has been your main man, Mark, for Loose Screws Reviews. Drop the mic, baby, and we out. Peace. Man, I gotta cool off. It's hot up in this piece.